Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Docker in your computer. So at first we have to go our google.com here and search for Docker here. So write the Docker, hit enter, you can see the official website, click on it. Docker.com is the official website. After click on this, you can see lots of options over there, but what I have to do, just hover our mouse here, products, and you can see the Docker desktop. Click on it right now. So here you can see it's the #1 containerization software for developers and teams. So here you can see the options, choose plan and download Docker desktop. What do we have to do? Hover the mouse here and you can see the option. So download for Windows AMD 64 here, because I'm using the Windows. If you are using Linux, you can simply select this, and if you are using the Mac, you can select this. So here you can see these are the option, which is if you are using a Mac and which will be the chip Apple Silicon, you have to select this. But if you are using Mac which have the Intel chip, you have to select this. And you can see these are options. These are for tablets, Windows supported tablets, phones, but we are using the Windows system, that's why we will click on it. So here you can see download started. After downloaded complete, we have to install this, and let's skip this right now because it will take a few minutes to download complete the Docker. So after download completed, we have to install this via click on it. Simply click on it here and it will pop up to install the software. Okay, just click on yes here. Okay, just let's click on this and click on OK here. It will unpacking files to install the Docker desktop, and this version is 4.53 and 0. Okay, this is the latest Docker desktop version. So we have to wait a few minutes to unpacking the files and installing the Docker here. You can see the programmings are already unpacking here. Okay, after installation succeed, now let's see our Docker installed successfully or not. Let's see on the CMD here, and let's type the Docker space dash version. Now you can see the Docker version is 29.0.1, but our Docker desktop here, let's open our software. Accept it here. And you can see we can easily connect our existing Google account, GitHub, or you can create an account to use the Docker here. And also you can see the skip option over there. Just click on skip here. Let's see. But they say it virtualization not detected. Docker desktop failed, says virtualization support wasn't detected. So we have to enable our virtualization. So we have to find the Windows feature. Just click on it and let's see our virtualization is enabled or not. Okay, you can see virtual machine platform. We have to enable it. Let's see. It's not opening. Now let's restart our computer. and let's open again the software, open or not, because we didn't even restart this PC after installing this Docker. And also we have enabled our virtualization. So let's restart, and again let's see what happened with. So after click on it, you can see they said press any key to install Windows subsystem for Linux. Press Ctrl C or close this window. So we have to click on this restart. Okay, let's press any key, and yes, it will downloading the Windows subsystem for Linux here. So after installing completed, we had to click any key to exit, and let's restart this again. And Docker engine is stopped, and starting the Docker engine right now. So here you can see a new pop-up window is here, and क्या है? हाँ? বুঝছে না? So here you can see a new window pop-up is here. You can see the welcome to Windows subsystem for Linux. You can see general working across file systems, GUI apps, acceleration, VS Docker integration, and Docker is desktop integration. So I will make another video on this system. So till now, if this video works, then do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.